So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 5.5mm crochet hook. If you want a lighter weight project or a faster building of the project, you can use a bigger hook, 6mm to 7mm crochet hook. So we are starting with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So again, chain 1 and turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and in the last stitch I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, which is this one. So 2 single crochet. So basically what you need to retain, in every row you start by chaining 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. This way you make these sides larger, faster, and the tail shorter for the large bandana. I'm gonna continue the same and I'll be back to show you how many rows I ended up doing and more details. So this is the finished look of the large triangle bandana. I have made total of 51 rows and the measurement is around, I forgot, I think it's about 51 to 87, around this. Anyway, you'll find all the details in the written pattern. Just one ball you need to use, one yarn ball, and that's it. You see the difference when you make 2 single crochet in the beginning of the row and end of the row. It gets larger, like I said, with a shorter tail, rather than when you make 2 single crochet in the beginning of the row only. Anyway, both versions are available in different videos, whichever you like to view. And this is the end result. Whether you want to make it into a shawl or a bandana, it's up to you. So this can be used as a neck warmer or a head bandana, as you wish. And this is the final result. I hope you like this simple tutorial and you'll try it yourself. If you have still any questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.